How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and this is not your normal video you'd see here on this channel. I am not teaching you one of my favorite tricks or steps. This is more so a news video. I have some news to share with you all. So, fun news, good news, I'm moving. Right now I'm living in Chicago, and I will be moving out to the East Coast again, but not Delaware. New York City. I know. And I'm moving there this month. Later this month. I know. There's not much time left in this month. Maddie and I are moving in to a lovely apartment up there, and it's like so perfect on so many different levels. It has 2 levels, and it actually has an extra room there that we're going to turn into a little dance studio. So excited. It's going to be so awesome. So with all that excitement, it does mean most of my time is going to be shifted towards that whole process of packing up my life, moving it all to a whole nother side of the country, and then unpacking and organizing and setting all of that up. So I will have a little bit less time to do the dancey dance and all of that, but just for now. And I hope to situate myself as soon as possible, and hopefully in a situation that might even be better. Really excited about the whole studio situation, little dance stage situation. This should be really cool, and look forward to sharing with you kind of that whole process. But yeah, figured I'd keep you guys posted. Not a very long video, just that. But while I have you, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, I'd highly recommend doing so. I'm planning on putting much more videos out in the future. We do a lot of Irish dance tips and tricks videos here, tutorials, fun steps to do just for the fun of it, you know, and I will continue to do so. Like this video to help share this video across the YouTube platform and, you know, algorithm. The more likes these videos have, the more likely they'll be sent to people who are also interested in Irish dancing. Big shout out and thank you to my patrons and members of the channel as well for your added support, allowing me to do stuff like this, just kind of as a normal weekly thing. So yeah, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. And that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Happy dancing.